Now, after facing numerous hurdles due to Chinnamma's arrest, Sasikala's nephew now, AMMK chief TTV Dinakaran, has decided to form a third front in Tamil Nadu. Along with Asaduddin Owaisi's AIMIM, relying on Thevar community's votes, TTV is now contesting the polls from Kovilpatti seat. Will Sasikala's supporters now transpire into AMMK's vote bank? Let's take a listen.
TTV Dinakaran, the man who stood resolutely with Aunt Sasikala after Jayalalitha's death. He has now forged a new alliance to contest Tamil Nadu polls. Even accompanying Aunt Sasikala to stake claim to form government, apart from propelling her as AIADMK's interim General Secretary. But Sasikala's jail term was a big setback. His attempt to contest in RK Nagar assembly seat faced several hurdles, including IT raids, attacks from EPS, arrest by Delhi police, and even eviction from the party. But he did win the seat in 2017. This time, he is in fray from Kovilpatti, a bastion of his Thevar community.
Even after an IT raid, a rescinding of elections, you won RK Nagar earlier. But why have you decided to fight at Kovilpatti this time?
No. Actually, during my leader's days, I was from South only. I contested from here. People wanted me to contest from here, so I have selected this constituency, Kovilpatti, and I also wanted to contest from RK Nagar. But our sideline leaders told that somebody else should contact there. Why should you contest into constituency? So I have decided, and finally I have nominated some other candidate.
What about the allegation that this is only to club in all the caste votes, and that's the reason you're contesting at Kovilpatti?
No, it's a cosmopolitan constituency like RK Nagar, so it's all false allegations.
One of the biggest shocks of 2021 was Sasikala's retirement from politics.
And also your aunt has backed off from politics, but does she still give her support to you, her blessings to you?
Her moral support will be always with us only.
Despite reports of a tie-up with Kamal Hassan, TTV chose to lead the third alliance, with Asaduddin Owaisi's AIMIM on his side, along with DMDK.
Now we have three options: win the elections, make sure that DMK loses, or make sure that AIADMK loses. Of the last two, which one would you choose?
We will surely win in these elections and we will form Amma's government.
So what does TTV think about OPS's recent overtures to Sasikala?
And what about this recent development where the Deputy Chief Minister OPS has come forward and said that he had no hard feelings against Madam Sasikala, and that also that he had no suspicion against her. Today, another minister also said the same thing.
Who is the another minister?
Kadambur Raju.
Yes, because of the election fear they are talking like this. It is only politics. It is not from their heart, only from their mouth.
What sort of fear, sir?
Election fear. They are going to lose, so why this fear?
Even after his aunt backed off from politics, TTV Dinakaran is not stepping back. He is competing Assembly Elections 2021 with DMDK and AIMIM for the first time in Tamil Nadu, and he claims that he will have a major victory in the state. He is believing that he still is a force to reckon with, and that's what you could see on the ground here. With camera person Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.